Hey, how's it going, everybody? Okay, today on this video we're going to be using these two products on the work car, winter car, whatever you want to call it. We're going to be putting VRT from Adams Polishes on it, on all the trim, and then on the tire dressing we're going to use the Dinowax, and that will be finishing up the series of the Dinowax products on it. So we're just going to be doing the black trim here. There's not much on this car, do the tires. So, alright, let's get to it. So, but before we get to work, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, and it means a lot. So, alright, on the Dinowax, we're going to do the tire dressing first. It says it lasts, long lasting, high gloss vinyl and rubber dressing. So you could probably use it on all your vinyl in your car, and maybe your trim. I still got to clean the interior. If you want to do the rubber trim right here, your weather stripping, I mean, it's good to do stuff like that on your weather stripping. Maybe we'll do that today too. Might as well. We'll put that on there, the tire dressing on that, the weather trim, the VRT. You could, the VRT from Adams, you can do the same thing. You can do the tires and your black trim. You can even put it on your interior also. Your door panels. I've done it on the Corvette. You can put it on your dash. I'm not sure how glossy it would be on top of the dash. I kind of like a satin look. It just depends. Sometimes I like it shiny. Most of the time I like it, you know, almost like a stock look. So, but we got this right here. We're going to be applying it with the foam pad that I got. You can buy these at Amazon. You can buy a pack of them, and they work pretty good. On tires they don't last as long, but they're not that expensive. So let's try it out on the tire. Shake it up. Try it out. Goes on pretty good, actually. The foam pad. It goes on nice. Kind of hard to do this with the camera work and your hand, so make do. Yeah, it goes on really nice. Look at that. Don't even mess up the pad that much. That's pretty good. There you go. Huh, that works pretty good. Alright, let me get the other tires done, and then we'll come back and look at it. Dressing on there. Looks pretty good. Shines them up pretty good. Need to paint those wheels. I might paint them when I do the brakes. There you go. Sun. I tell you what, just for that little bottle they gave me, it goes a long way. You're not using a lot of product at all. That's with great coverage with barely using any product. I mean, that is cool. That's very cool. Good product, especially when you're not using a lot of product to get that look. I mean, this thing, it's still right here. 4 tires. Granted, the tires are not that big, but that's pretty good for the product. You're not using much at all. And then we'll see what it can do to this trim. Oops, I still gotta clean the interior. Just showing you guys you can use this on your trim, clean it up, plus give it some protection. It's just not drying out. Probably help it like too in hot climates. Don't use that much. Probably could have cleaned it up a little bit better, but I still gotta clean that interior. Well, it looks pretty good. That's what's nice about these sponges. You can get in there, not worry about getting it too much on your paint. Look at that. Goes a long way. Look at that. Results. Pretty nice. That needs to be cleaned up, but looks good. Do all this, part of getting your vehicle cleaned up. Yeah, it looks nice, and you can get in here with these sponges so you can really get in to cleaning stuff like this up, which I always do. I always clean up your weather stripping. It helps put moisture back into it. Lasts a lot longer. So you can do all this. It's part of the detailing process of getting your car looking good. There you go. Now this is the Dinowax tire dressing on the weather stripping, which works great. I'll have the link below. Cool. Show that real quick. I'll have to do the whole car later. Alright, now let's test out the VRT on all the plastic. Alright, shake it up real good. Now I'm not going to see how long this stuff lasts. It just lasts a couple weeks. Depends on the weather. If it's raining every day, stuff like that, it comes out nice. The bottle comes out pretty good. And then you can always wipe the excess off if you needed to. But let's see, where can we start to really see? And we'll start right here. You can spread it out like that, almost like wax. Work it in there. Get it nice and clean. Comes out nice. That's about it. You got to get into these real grooves a little bit. That's why these foam blocks coming good. It takes a little bit extra time. They got that spray, in and out spray you can use too. I'll do that next time. That spray would really help get in here. You can use a Q-tip. These foam blocks kind of help. You can really put it in there. Q-tips will help. I might have to get a couple Q-tips. Alright, let me continue to go, and then we'll use a Q-tip also. Getting those spots. Let's go. It got hot today. And if you have any access, it's no big deal. I think the dogs want to help. But that's one way you can do it. Get in these areas. It takes a little bit of time. But that's the point, you know, if you enjoy doing it. Making it look clean. Same thing with this product. A little bit goes a long way. I'm not gonna have it, so it's not gonna be perfect, but it's looking good. Okay. Just like that. You got that, and then we got the in and out spray you can use also. Alright, so let me continue to get some of this done. Spilling it, it's alright. You take your Microsoft towel and wipe that up later. Yeah, foam pads help a lot better than using a Microsoft towel or an old rag, because it flexes a lot and you can really get in there, you know, in those areas. Put some pressure down with your finger. It just helps a lot. It makes the job go a little bit quicker also. You can see the difference. Yep. Get in there real good. There we go. Yeah, difference. Pretty good. Alright, in and out spray. Let's see. There we go. Because to really get in here, it's gonna be hard. Plus it's a little dirty. I should clean it up. But let's, sometimes let's try it out. Get an old Microsoft towel, one that I don't use for wax. And let's try it out. Shake it up. What does it say? It says shake can before use. Clean the plastic and vinyl surface to be treated. And then spray 10-12 inches from surface quick. Squirts. Do not spray any closer or longer. Wait 10 to 15 minutes before wiping or buffing. Alright. That's it. It says wipe off any excess on paint or glass. So let's give it a shot. Might as well, we bought it. I haven't used this. I got that with this last year with that mystery bucket. Let me try it over here. Be a little bit easier. Yeah. Not bad, huh? Spray it right on there. Almost smells like hairspray. Yeah, it's nice to get in here. Got a little bit of dirt. We should have did a better job cleaning, but oh well. It's gonna get dirty at work tomorrow anyway. Check it out. Any excess, you just wipe it off. Oh wow, it comes right off. Look at that. Comes right off the windows. Yeah, you can buff it off. Yeah, it comes right off the windows. I mean, that's nice. Look at that. Next time I'll have to clean this a little bit better, but yeah, that looks good. What do you guys think? A little bit quicker. It comes bust right off the windows. That's nice. So basically, like, you can use it for your trim here, spray it on there. So yeah, that works pretty good. Don't know how long the in and out spray is gonna last, but that's one way to get it cleaned up. Still got to do the windows and do the interior, but the car's looking pretty good for my work car. And you guys can do this to any car actually. So I'm just trying to bring some life back to my car, make it look good. I always like my cars clean, look good. It don't matter. I used to have an old Ranger, and the driver's side was dented, the whole side. Man, I always washed it. I even threw wax on it. It looked good. I mean, for a work car truck, it looked great. It was clean. Even though the whole side was all dented up, it still was a clean truck. Alright, let me continue to go on with VRT. And I lost my shade. Pretty good. Pretty much all done using the VRT rubber trim on the trim. And put that down real quick in that spot with these foam blocks. And what's nice, you can wash these with dish soap and that, let them dry out, and reuse them. When they tore up, you can buy another pack. I'll try and link it down below. And we got, and then on the tires we finished off with the Dinowax on this series. And man, I still got that much left with the 4 tires. That's great. I mean, you're not using a lot of product, so a big bottle of this will probably last you a while. Depends how many times you use it. I use, so the tires look good. I like the way it dried out. Dried a little bit. A couple spots I might have to go over a little bit, but other than that, it came out nice. Black trim. Got the trim down here. I still got some more cleaning up. But yeah, it looks pretty good. So the next series on this, push this tire a little bit more. Next series on this, we'll be cleaning the interior. We gotta clean the carpet too, so hopefully I can get that done soon. So yeah, plus good products. I don't know how long these are gonna last. I figure a couple weeks maybe, depends on the weather, the rain, but they're good products, easy to use to get your stuff cleaned up. And the VRT, so I really like that stuff, and it's got a protectant in it too. Where's it at? Yeah, it's got a SPF 35 UV protection, and there's no solvents, no alcohol. It's water based, and it doesn't leave any residue. And I used this on the Corvette. If you guys watched that video on the Corvette, and of course Corvette sits in the garage a lot. That product lasted, I tell you, 2 months. With that, 2 months, one coat of that stuff on the trim on the Corvette. Well, granted, the car stays in the garage. We take it to the car show, but that's great if you have a vehicle that sits in the garage. That these products are going to last a lot longer, which that's great for the money. It really is. So I hope you guys like this little series I'm doing on the car, and you'll let us know. And anything on our videos you'd like to see, let us know. Appreciate it. And yeah, we'll continue to do some more car stuff. So hey, thanks everybody for watching our channel and commenting all the time. Really appreciate it. It helps out a lot when you guys do that. It's great. It's almost like we know you guys, and it's cool. It really is cool meeting other YouTube channels, and it's like a community. And yeah, like I said, it's like we're friends, and it's pretty cool meeting friends on YouTube videos. It's great, from all over the world. I mean, that is awesome. I mean, that is so cool. I mean, yeah, it really is. So, you guys have a great week, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. You guys have a good one. Later.